Instagram for TV has officially launched on supported Samsung smart TVs, but if you can't find the app, don't worry. It doesn't necessarily mean there's something wrong with your TV. In many cases, it comes down to compatibility, region availability, software updates, or a gradual rollout. The first thing to check is your Samsung TV model year. Open Settings, go to Support, and then select About this TV. Look for the full model number and confirm that your TV is from 2020 or newer. The initial Instagram for TV release on Samsung is designed for supported 2020 and later smart TV models, so older TVs may not be compatible with the app. Next, check where your TV is being used. The initial Samsung launch is currently available in the United States. If your Samsung account or TV is set up outside the US, the Instagram app may not appear in the Samsung App Store yet, even if your TV hardware is compatible. It's best to wait for the official rollout in your region rather than trying unofficial methods, such as changing the TV region, using VPNs, or accessing Samsung service menus. Now make sure your TV software is up to date. Open Settings, go to Support, select Software Update, and choose Update Now. If an update is available, install it and restart the TV afterward. New apps sometimes require the latest TV software before they appear in the App Store. After updating, open the Samsung App Store and search for Instagram. If the app is available for your TV, install only the official version. Check that the app name, branding, and publisher look legitimate, and avoid downloading or installing unofficial versions from other sources. If the app still doesn't appear or refuses to install, check whether your TV has enough free storage. Remove a few unused apps if necessary, restart the TV, and sign back into your Samsung account if prompted. If App Store issues continue, you can consider refreshing Smart Hub as a later troubleshooting step, but remember that resetting Smart Hub may sign you out of your other streaming apps, so only use that option if the simpler steps haven't helped. It's also important to understand what Instagram for TV currently supports. The app is designed for watching Instagram content on a larger screen, and Meta is testing features such as interest-based channels, stories on TV, horizontal videos, longer episodic content, and future live content. Because some of these features are still being tested, they may not appear on every account or every supported TV. Another point that often causes confusion is casting. The Instagram for TV app is different from casting Instagram Reels from your phone. At the moment, Meta lists direct reel casting as available on Google TV and Amazon Fire TV. That doesn't mean the same casting feature is currently available on Samsung TVs, even if the Instagram for TV app itself is supported there. So if Instagram still isn't showing on your Samsung TV, the most likely reasons are that your TV is older than 2020. You're outside the current US rollout. Your TV software needs updating, the rollout hasn't reached your exact model yet, or your Smart Hub needs a refresh. These situations are much more common than a hardware problem. To recap, check that your Samsung Smart TV is a 2020 model or newer, confirm you're in the supported launch region, update your TV software, search the official Samsung App Store, make sure there's enough storage, and remember that the Instagram for TV app is different from phone to TV reel casting. Following these steps will help you determine whether your TV is currently supported or simply waiting for the official rollout.